Hello developer. In the previous video, we have seen function in Kotlin, basic function, function with parameters, and function with return type. And now in part 2, we will learn more how to write advanced and flexible function in Kotlin. So quickly I'll create one Kotlin file. So I have created one Kotlin file called function tutorial part 2, and here we have our main function. First, let's understand function with unit return type. Function with unit return type. Here I'm writing one function fun greeting, and here I'll print hello developers. Okay, so this is our greeting message I want to print. Let's check output. So I need to call this function inside our main function. Now I'm launching application, and here we can see output hello developers. Okay, this function is working fine. Now I want to give return type. Here we did not give any return type for this function. Okay, so now I want to give return type, unit return type. Now I have given unit return type for this greeting function and calling again. Here we can see no difference in output. So this unit return type is optional. If you want to give, then absolutely fine, we can give. If you don't want to give, that is also fine. Okay, now what does it mean? Unit is a return type. When we don't want any value from function, then we should go for unit return type. Perfect. Next, if I want this hello developers 5 times or 10 times, then what I can do, I can call this greeting function again and again. Okay, 10 times I can call it. Let's check output. So here I'm launching application again, and we can see output hello developers again and again. That is called function reusability. This is one of the biggest benefit of function. Okay, perfect. Next type of function is function with default parameter. I repeat, function with default parameter. Here we have one function that is greet user detail. Okay, this is our function, and this function is taking one argument that is name, and the type of this argument is string, and here we have given default value that is guest. Okay, now I am calling this function here inside our main function, and here I will pass welcome in the world of Kotlin programming language. Okay, okay, let's see one more time. This function greet user detail I am calling from main function, and here we are passing one message that is welcome in the world of Kotlin programming language. Okay, let's check output. So I'm launching application, and here we can see output hello welcome in the world of Kotlin programming language. Okay, this hello along with this message. Okay, next, if I want to call this without passing this message, okay, then what will happen? This time I don't want to pass any value. Okay, for this name argument, I don't want to pass any value. Then what will happen? It will print hello along with default value. Okay, so let's check output. So I'm calling again, and here we can see output hello guest. Okay, that is hello and with default value guest. Next type of function is function with named argument. Function with named argument. So here we have function user information, and this function is taking name, email, and age as an argument. And here we are printing all of them. All of them we are printing here. Okay, let's call it. So here in our main function we can call, and here it's asking named parameter. Okay, the first parameter is name, so I'm giving name Kotlin, email Kotlin at gmail.com, and age 32. Okay, I'm passing some random values, so you can pass any value. Let's check output. So I'm launching application, and here we can see output name Kotlin, email Kotlin at gmail.com, age is 32. Great. Next function is a function with single expression, and here we have function name calculate discount, and this function is taking price as an argument, which is double tap, and here we are performing some operation. Okay, let's call it. So again, inside our main function, I'll call it 10.99. Okay, and also I need to print this, so I can call this function inside our println. Okay, and copy and cut and paste there. Now let's check output. So now I'm launching application, and here we can see output 21.8701. And now interview question. What is the difference between unit and void in Kotlin? Leave your comment in the comment section below.